J-Mac Equipment Hygiene Franchise, Sydney South, New South Wales. Become your own boss with 4 strong territories in key locations and very limited competition. J-Mac Sydney South is a proven franchise business with unlimited growth potential and superb network support. Comprising 65 postcodes, your territories cover Bankstown, Burwood, Leichhardt, Kogarah and Maroubra, and Sutherland. J-Mac services cover cool rooms, keg rooms, HVAC, air conditioners, commercial kitchen cleaning, environmental testing, and more. J-Mac is the only ISO 9001 and ISO 22000 certified company in this market, which is a major point of difference. Launched in 1998, J-Mac currently supports 20 franchisees throughout Australia, servicing more than 6,000 venues. These include hospitals, aged care facilities, hospitality venues, school canteens, and food manufacturing. Comprising multiple long-term franchisees, this is a very stable franchise network with very strong margins. No prior experience is required as comprehensive training and support is provided. With the current owner retiring, this is an amazing opportunity to walk straight into a highly successful and proven franchise.